Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Kia EV6 to Kia Connect. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Kia EV6 to Kia Connect, start by ensuring your vehicle is in the on position. Next, locate your smartphone and download the Kia Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create a Kia account if you don't already have one. If you have an existing account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, return to your Kia EV6. On the vehicle's touchscreen, access the Settings menu. From there, select Connectivity options. Choose Kia Connect to start the pairing process. Next, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. In the app, select Add Vehicle to initiate the pairing. The app will prompt you to enter the vehicle's VIN, which can be found on your dashboard or inside the driver's door. After entering your VIN, click Next on the app. Your vehicle will display a pairing code. Confirm that the code matches what is shown in the app. If the codes match, proceed to accept the pairing request. Your Kia EV6 should now be connected to the Kia Connect app. You can now explore various features, such as remote start and climate control, right from your smartphone. To ensure everything is working properly, try accessing one of the features through the app. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your Kia EV6 to Kia Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.